Oke, kembali lagi bersama saya John Battle. So, kali ini kita akan melanjutkan karir mode Sassuolo ya. Dan kita akan berhadapan dengan Sampdoria. Kita lihat. Oke, Sampdoria menggunakan formasi 3-4-2-1 dan dalam 5 pertandingan mereka mengalami 5 kekalahan. Dan untuk peringkat atau klasmen kita berada di peringkat kelima ya. Selisih 2 poin bersama peringkat 3 Inter Milan dan Fiorentina, dan selisih 1 poin terhadap Atalanta, selisih 3 poin terhadap Roma. Dan untuk pertandingan Serie A-nya, kita akan memainkan 5 pertandingan Serie A sisanya ya, dan 1 cup ya, final melawan AC Milan. So 5 pertandingan itu melawan Sampdoria, Bari, Las Verona, Fiorentina, Torino. Dan cup final Coppa Italia melawan AC Milan tentunya. Oke, langsung saja ya. Untuk pertandingan Serie A mungkin, atau pertandingan di episode kali ini, saya akan memainkan 4 pertandingan ya, yaitu Sampdoria, Bari, Verona, dan terakhir nanti akan melawan Milan. Untuk pertandingan melawan Fiorentina dan Torino akan saya mainkan di episode selanjutnya. Let's go, sekarang kita ke Mapei Stadium melawan Sampdoria. Oke, kiper kita bisa rotasi ya. Bentar. Oke, langsung aja kita ke Mapei Stadium.
Well, it's a real privilege for us to get in there and see a confident boss at
Langsung aja lah ya.
work, getting
Kick off.
just the right message across for the game ahead. A warm welcome to
Ya,
you, and
tentunya
thanks for joining us for
kita
another
mengharapkan
game live
hasil
on
atau
EA
kemenangan
TV.
ya,
Guy Mowbray
untuk
for you.
mempertahankan
Delighted to
posisi
be
kita
joined by
di
Steve Smith.
tabel
Quick reaction for you from Serie A
klasemen
coming up.
Liga
It's
Eropa.
Sassuolo, and they face Sampdoria.
Well, it's a pleasure to be here, and I'm anticipating a good game today. The coach
Ya, walaupun sekarang kita di klasemen Eropa ya, di peringkat kelima, cuman ya kalau bisa Liga Champions kenapa tidak Pak? Kita akan mengambil pengalaman dari situ ya kan. Gak ada salahnya juga. Bermimpilah setinggi-tingginya gitu kan. Oke, Gumoha. Astaga, handsball. Masih bisa dispasi tadi. Oke, Losek. Astaga, Losek ngapain di sundul ke depan? Ah. Full kick. Anjay. Wait. Aduh. Thuram mana Thuram?
Gusto.
Aduh, bingung cuk.
Under a fair bit of pressure here.
Malah kagok ya.
Been on the wrong end of this fixture of late, and that really needs to change.
Thuram, alah. Panterobosan nggak nyampe Pak. Gimana Losek ini? Baik. Oke. Abildgaard. Anjir, kayak pernah denger ya Abildgaard ya. Aduh, kegocek si Burger. Oke, baru aja kan. Berardi. Gak bisa dong. Aduh. Losek ini passingnya jelek Pak, sumpah. Jelek pakai banget. Gak bisa ke Rio Gumoha.
Adam Hojek. Domenico Berardi.
Duh. Napa lari-larian dulu? Hajar. Anjir. Masih bisa dong diantisipasi. Gusto. Oke. Rio Gumoha. Bocah kebentuan ya di menit 30. Geografi. GG Pak. Bakalan jadi pilihan utama kita sih. Kita akan mendatangkan satu winger atau kita ya Monteiro, kita lihatlah di sisa pertandingan ini ya. Kemarin saya sempat marah-marah Pak di episode sebelumnya ya dengan Monteiro.
again.
Oke. Abildgaard. Oke, Ngumoha. Bentar dulu. Astaga.
Lojek. Could turn out to be a really good ball. Cleared, but not out of trouble yet.
Gallagher ya. Bang Jai. Buh.
Wouter Berger.
Astaga.
Oh, that's really
Tapi
well
nggak
done.
tahu ya, kalau di real life kan kalau punya riwayat cedera lumayan panjang itu bisa kambuh. Kalau di sini saya nggak tahu bisa apa nggak. Semoga ya nggak ada lah ya.
Moving the ball forward, hoping something might open up.
Astaga, mana cuk? Gallagher.
Conor Gallagher.
Alah, Thuram.
Stopped any potential danger.
Ini mereka main very deep ya, apa pertahanannya, sehingga backnya numpuk atau pemainnya numpuk di belakang.
Surely they need to play a little bit higher up the field. Fantastic pass if that comes off.
Oke, ajar ya.
Well away from
Lama
the
ini
man.
kita latihan di lob through pass, masa nggak bisa Thuram?
And there might
Umpan-umpannya
be
kayak
more to
gitu,
come.
lob through pass, dia dapat bola, shooting, finishingnya bagus sih dia.
Well, it all comes from that wonderful
Wah, ini
ball
Olsek
over the top.
GG nih
Straight to the
operannya.
defense, and then he's
Ya.
through on goal. No hesitation at all.
Dan si Thuram juga lolos dari jebakan offside ya.
Past the keeper.
Oke, let's go.
It's a
Modal yang sangat
cracking
bagus.
finish.
Oke, babak pertama, kalau usai
Referee's whistle brings the
kita gaskan dia. Oke,
back underway.
Losek,
45 more minutes to come.
Gallagher, Rio Ngumoha, santai, santai.
Pascal Struijk.
Ntar,
Lojek.
anjir.
Berger.
Nah, bahkan strikernya pun atau pemainnya nggak ada yang melewati garis tengahnya, Pak.
On to Gallagher. And the pass narrowly
Oke.
fails to reach its target. Throw in to
Gantian
come.
pemain.
The sub about to come on.
Rio Ngumoha.
Berger.
Aduh, harusnya ke...
Giving it away here.
Ya ampun,
It was a wonderful chance. And it surely has
Anjir.
to be at least on target.
onside loh itu. Aduh, ke ini ya. Kena kaki kirinya dia ya. Nendang kaki terkuatnya dia kaki kiri. Malah tendang pakai kaki kanan, akhirnya kena keserimpet kan. Ntar, alah, Losek. Oke, SP. Victor Nario,
Looking good.
Gallagher, aduh. Bang Jai,
Able to deal with
Oke,
the danger
Berardi kosong.
decisively. Well defended.
alah, offside sih harusnya.
Decisive ball.
Offside.
Been given here.
GG sih. Sejauh itu, Pak. Yuk kita pergantian pemain menit 70-an aja ya.
They've lost it needlessly, really. Marcus Thuram.
Nggak bisa.
On to Gallagher. That's not a bad looking ball.
Alah, di cover sama back lawan, Pak.
Well, he's certainly
Dia
had a
langi.
decent game so far, or maybe better than that. I think it's fair to say
Estia
he hasn't
Pedrola.
disappointed.
Wih, gelo sang kapten kita.
Clinical with his finish, but he's maintained an intensity to his performance. He'll be looking to keep that going in the second half.
Aduh, ntar. Oke, bisa nih.
Marcus Thuram. This could be dangerous.
Mana nih pemain kita, nggak ada yang dekat, Pak. Aduh, si Berger, Pak. First touch-nya
Danger
kurang.
dealt with for now.
Oke,
nothing fancy,
nggak apalah.
just got it away from
Serangan
danger.
balik ya.
Gives them time to
Pokoknya kita hari ini, bukan hari ini, match ini harus clean sheet. Oke. Apakah kebobolan?
Shall not
Clean
pass.
sheet, bos. Astaga, Rio Ngumoha passing. Mau ganti pemain saya, Pak. Wah, anjir. Rio Ngumoha membayar kesalahannya dong. Aduh, maju duluan si Holsek. Anjir. Itu Pak, susahnya nggak ada playmaker ya.
Decent move looked to be building, but that's it for now.
Oke, lari.
Nicely played. What can they do with this now? Good vision. Now for the
Anjir.
There surely aren't any now. A truly dominant display.
Siapa? Anjir, kok selebrasi bayi, Pak? GG kan?
Well, it's a lovely pass to...
Oke, kita ganti pemain dulu ya. Ntar. Monteiro, Solemana nih. GG juga. Endur. Marimovic nih biar nggak cemberut. Osula tentu saja. Oke, sudah 5 kan? 2, 3, 4, 5. Siap. Gaskan dia.
Real awareness to spot the run. And
3-0 tentunya. Skor yang sangat
It's never in doubt. He
meyakinkan
just
bagi
looks
kita
so confident
sejauh ini ya.
Halkett. Henderson.
Habilgard. Doik. Wajib.
To the front stick.
Oke,
Well, in the end, it proved to be right in the keeper's zone.
ayo. JJS.
Kamaldeen
Osula.
Sulemana. Marcus Thuram. Nicely played through.
Chris. Astaga.
Still danger here. Played in with that. Taking a chance.
Aduh.
Onto the team there.
That was really good timing,
Prit sih
wasn't it?
habis sih harusnya. Berapa menit tambahan waktu? Semenit. Habis lah, clean sheet lah.
Oliver Abilgard.
Clean sheet boy. Oke,
There is
3-0 skor akhir ya.
It's fallen to take away, not least the 3 points soon.
Wow, that was really comfortable, wasn't it? The play going forward was so clinical. Took them apart at times and produced some
GGWP,
top
GGWP. Kita lihat match fact. Jir, 7 shot. Perform, Thuram man of the match lagi Pak, 9,9. 1 gol 1 assist. Burger di tengah GG. Losek 2 assist. Gallagher GG. Berardi 1 gol. Ngumoha 1 gol. JICS di pertahanan. Doi, Gusto, Struik. Anjir, ini GG semua Pak pemain kita. Langsung saja. Oke, Milan dan Inter imbang ya, yang artinya harusnya kita poinnya sama dengan Inter ya. Enggak dong, kita harusnya nyalip Inter dong. Harusnya peringkat ketiga atau 4 lah kita. Soalnya kita belum tahu hasil Fiorentina kan. Dan yep, peringkat 3. Guinart. Anjir. Oke. Monteiro. Oke. Oke, kita lihat dulu ya. Nah, poin kita sama dengan si Inter Milan ya. Nggak tahu ya, karena kita menang head to head mungkin ya. Serie A kan head to head kan. Fiorentina belum main. Jadi kita masih harus menunggu hasilnya tentu saja. Advance. Oke, kita ngelawan Baris selanjutnya. Baris sendiri menawan formasi 4-3-3. Siapa tuh? Anjir, sama aja. 5 kali pertandingan terakhir, 5 kali kalah. Circati. Of course. Kita akan merotasi beberapa pemain ya. Ngumoha. Lah. Oh, belum dipotong itu. Ntar berarti duit kita berapa, Pak? 5M. Youth Scout. Bam 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 bam. Wih, gelo. Kita buang yang kayak gini-gini dulu ya. Anjir, full pak squad kita pak. Nah, kita bisa nih promosiin beberapa pemain akademi ya. Potensinya jelek-jelek kita buangin aja pak. Oh, ini bagus sih. Nope. 90 minimal ya. Anjir, 14 tahun enggak. Yang 14 tahun akan saya otomatis buang ya. Ntar kita promosiin Santoro. Gelo. Santoro. Di Agustino center back. Anjir, tapi tingginya segitu dia. Oke, boleh. Pellegrini kiper. Anjir, kita kiper cuma punya 1 pak. Oh, 2. 18 Pellegrini. Musim selanjutnya lah ya. Untuk striker anjir ini sih si Lombard atau Guingnard, sayap ke kanan, kiri, sayap kanan, dia left foot. Anjir, 17 tahun. Aduh, ini enggak sih, sorry. Kok bisa masuk? Ntar pak. Yang 14 tahun udah pasti saya buang lah ya. Oke, 94 center back. Gelo. Ini saya masuk sih harusnya. Mama Yukero. Wah, ini GG sih. Sign player. Enggak, kita pantau selanjutnya ya. Oke, untuk back. Anjir, dia playstyle-nya GG pak. Gelo. Kita jadikan dia complicated ya. Cuman dia tuh ya center back sih, defender, stopper, wide back, stopper, defender aja lah ya. Oke. Ini juga defender. Wide back. Set forward, mungkin kita akan jadikan dia right winger 2 pekan, oke? Oke, gas. Kita langsung training dulu lah ya. Dan extreme hot, jangan ini lah. Pass through the gap. Enggak, ini aja lah. Boom. Gelo. Tura memang GG sih. Aduh. Tapi di sini sundulannya Turam Asbun ya. Oke. Umpan GG tuh. Boom. Oke, Turati. Cakep. Ini harusnya sih udah oke. GG yuk. Langsung ke matchnya ya. Oke, kita akan sedikit perubahan ya. Kita Marti, Matic kita akan bawa. Santoro, JI Jazz tentunya, Struwik, Pras kita mainkan, El Kabar, kita coba Solemana di situ lah ya. Full patung, no nanti aja. Kita bisa bawa si Santoro, oke. Gaskan Pak.
Two teams ready to face off in a clash that will captivate fans across the globe. The tension's building, and this is one you won't want to miss. Hello, and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. I'm your commentator, Guy Mowbray,
Yo,
joined
gas.
by Sue Smith. We've got action on the way from Serie A. What are we going to get from this one?
Well, it's so loud in here, isn't it? The fans are really up for this one, and I'm sure the managers will be reminding them, remember what you need to focus on and knock out all of that
Anjir,
noise.
markas Bari GG juga ya.
Here's the Sassuolo team sheet.
Yeah, they're playing a 4-3-3. The front three.
Surely now.
Anjir,
Go
offside.
any further here, offside. Castrovilli,
Oke, Moncini.
Maggiore. Setting up the chance. Great instinct there to
Kalah
get it out.
Solemana.
Certainly on that in a flash, wasn't he?
Could go in front.
Oke, tendangan ngawur itu.
Offside.
Kita lini tengah harus nyari lagi sih. Solemana kurang sih untuk kalau buat backup ya.
Marcus Thuram.
Kita nyari pemain tengah kelas A. Anjir, pelanggaran.
Possession lost.
Kayak gitu nggak pelanggaran, cor. Oke, Ngumoha. Santai.
Teeing up the chance now. Having a go.
Astaga, masih bisa diblok dong. Santai, Gallagher. Aman.
That's the perfect way to protect the ball. Good work
Aman.
to beat the challenge.
Oke, Turati.
Didn't take much saving by
Pendek
the
IT.
keeper. Gallagher. Marcus Thuram.
Tuh, kosong.
Lovely ball. This could lead to something. Moving infield now. Oh, crucial tackle to deal with the danger.
Mereka kayak Sampdoria ya, apa? Di belakang banget pemainnya.
Looking to play the game now at their own pace. Conor Gallagher. This is lovely football, moving defenders around.
Astaga, anjing masih bisa
The shot
diblok loh.
thwarted.
Babi emang. Circati. Aduh, Holsek, Osula. Holsek lagi kena. Padahal nggak main-main dibawa.
And that's been
Osula ini
nicely
nggak
won
mau
by the
mundur
defense.
dulu apa ya?
Castrovilli. Could turn out to be a really good ball.
Bahaya Nishimura.
It's played into the box.
Oke, Turati. Anjir, kita shot on goal aja kalah loh, Kak.
Marcus Thuram. This is looking better with every stride. To put them ahead.
Mana si Osula?
Clearance to ease the pressure.
Yeah, sometimes you don't need finesse, do you? It's just about getting rid.
Aduh, Turam malah
They've given
kayak
it away here.
positioningnya kurang aja. GG. Turam.
Delivered into the box.
Hmm.
Well, a promising attack, but
Gallagher
unable
kena
to
lah.
take advantage.
Tuh. Headingnya
Feeling
kemana
of the game
nih?
to win the ball.
Kabar. Kabar.
Kamaldeen Sulemana. Marcus Thuram. Berardi. Oh, a great chance.
Ngapain Turam situ?
Suleimani. Great chance here. It's in. 1-0. And that could change the shape of the game.
Well, we can see it again now. He does so well to slip past his man. Leaves him stranded. And what a finish. He goes for power. It was never in doubt. He just looks so confident running through.
Oke, babak pertama ya.
And that's going to be it for the first 45 minutes. Players set, the whistle sounds, and the second half begins. Gaetano Castrovilli, promising looking ball.
Pras. Aduh.
To go, good save, and look where it's gone.
Rio.
Danger dealt with. Well, that's been won really smartly. There's a sense of real urgency to this attack. And the press has paid off
Duh,
here.
Pras. Oke, dia ngomong. Alah,
Oh, that's a great block.
biar kurang masuk itu.
Really good timing, wasn't it?
They won't be going any further. Marcus Thuram.
Anjir, Rasulullah.
And over the touchline it goes. It'll be a throw-in now. And here comes a change. Marcus Thuram. Lovely ball. This could lead to something.
Alah,
Really
Gallagher.
good interception to take the ball. And we could watch that sort of skill all day. Oh, could be here. What a chance. Oh, it was a great chance. And it's
Solemana sih agak sih ganti aja. Matic main. Sorry. Volpato. Santoro ntar aja lah. Terakhir-terakhir.
taken.
Well, I'm not sure he'll get many chances better than that to even the score. He's going to be disappointed he couldn't put that one away.
Oh, that's a really lovely ball. It's on corner. It's in. Two to the good. That little to the
Gila.
corner. And it's just a matter of keeping concentration now.
Bos 7-15 per penampilan ya.
Well, we can see it
Gege.
again now, and it all starts with the ball over the
Arsis
top.
dari Marti.
He waited, and it makes the striker's job relatively easy. All he has to do is make the right connection. It's a really good goal.
Strong and needed to be.
Oh, real grit there to shield it.
That's nicely won to see off the threat.
Volpato.
Nemanja Matic pushing forward, and there are choices on.
Aduh, kok nggak ganti kursor, Pak?
Quarter of an hour remaining. Lovely setup. Great interception.
Morimovic.
A chance to get in behind with that. Tried to absolutely smash that, which, as we've
Marti.
seen, wasn't the right decision. Substitute.
Ntar ganti pemain, Pak. Santoro boleh main. Udah habis ya? Oke.
Substitution coming up.
Lah ya.
It's in. Well,
Astaga.
don't write them off yet. There's the goal that keeps hopes alive.
Bahaya Pak. 2-1 ya.
That makes it 2-1, and away we go again. Martin. Into Gallagher. Excellent reading of the game to win
Ngawur
the ball.
Cuk.
Well, just listen to the atmosphere in here. The fans are
Richard.
doing their bit, trying to spur them on to this equaliser.
Oke.
The referee brings
Nah,
the game
dua
to a
ya.
close, with the points going back.
La ringraziamo per aver accettato di parlare ai nostri microfoni. Grazie ancora per le sue impressioni.
Good job Santoro. Anjir Marti. Tapi emang saya jual Pak Marti bentar. Harusnya sih enggak ya. Oke. 800. 450 bisa lah 900. Pan 80. 800. Oke. Hellas Verona. Kita masih peringkat ketiga, artinya Inter dan si Fiorentina kalah ya. Hellas Verona menggunakan formasi 4-3-3. Training seperti biasa ya. Gelo. Bisa nyundul aja. Gallagher lagi dong. Lah. Oh, Gusto tukang crossing sekarang. Siap. Siap. Yuk langsung kita ke match. Kita langsung ke Marcantonio Bentegodi.
Building to a crescendo all week, and very shortly, and welcome to a game that really should have pulses racing. Every reason to believe this will be enthralling. I'm Derek Ray, and looking forward very much to getting tactical insights from my commentary partner, Sue Smith. And we're focusing on live action from Italy's top division, Serie A. It's Hellas Verona, and they face Sassuolo.
Well, both managers will be reminding the players that it's important to get off to a quick start, really attack the opposition and put them on the back foot from the off. Hopefully we'll get a good game.
Look at this, Sue!
Wih, Rio asis GG. Kurang penyelesaian GG.
Well, the move
Calon
was all
pemain
about the
terbaik
drive
Serie A.
and pace of the break. They burst out from the
Anjir,
back
sejajar
so
sama
quickly.
backnya dong.
And from that kind of distance,
Dan
she'd back him every
penyelesaiannya
time.
langsung tek
Cool,
gitu aja, Pak.
composed, and a simple finish in the end.
And back underway, 1-0 it is.
Yelu.
Using all
Clean sheet, clean sheet, clean sheet. Aduh, terlalu dalam Pak crossingnya Pak.
Wouter Burger. Takes the shot.
Astaga.
Oh, still not dealt with.
Doik, santai Doik. Bumoha kosong.
Domenico Berardi. Real chance.
Wah, cekir, Gallagher.
So soon at the start of this game.
Buh.
Well, this is a brilliant team goal.
Berardi
Just
assist.
watch the movement on the
Langsung.
ball, pulling the defenders all over
Sekali
the place.
kontrol langsung
And the
hajar, Pak.
passing, it's
Pojok
so
banget
intricate.
deh.
As soon as there's an opening, they take it. It's a great finish too.
Holding on to it. Tomasz Suslov. Could cross it in here. And thwarted there. following
Doik,
the
Kiki,
cross.
oke. Bumoha. Anjir, mau Bumoha.
Marcus Thuram. Beautifully weighted ball. Oh, he saved it well.
Bumoha. Oke, Berardi. Alah,
Trying to deliver it accurately.
hampir Pak.
Haunted clearance. Could be dangerous. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end.
Nggak bisa, nggak bisa.
Well, they're almost inviting them to come at them.
Yeah, they just look happy to sit back and shake, don't they?
Aduh,
Neither side really able to keep the ball for any significant length of time. Suslov. And finding the flow. But timely defending when it
Oke,
mattered.
Mai.
Suslov. Oh, they were in a decent position too. Well, on the cusp of the half-time interval and the visitors are prospering. What have you made of their performance?
Yeah, they'll be the happier of the two sides. At times they've been able to carve open the opposition and they've had some good finishes too.
Anjir,
They're looking to keep this
Doik
going
sekarang
for the second
headingnya
half.
GG sih ya. Udah berani duel dia Pak.
Adam Floja. There's Here's the shot.
Alah,
And defensive play to be applauded.
Yeah, that
gimana ya
really
caranya
nice.
biar nendang nggak
Disappointed,
diblok
you know.
itu? Setiap nendang kena blok loh, anjir emang.
Suslov. Well, in terms of added time, a minimum of 1 minute. Distributing it well. Can he put it away?
Oke,
The first half here comes to
skor
an end.
2-0 ya.
So they get the second half going here. Marcus Thuram. Malo Gusto. Gallagher. Oh, tremendous vision. Oh, big opportunity. Goalkeeping of the
Buset,
highest
langsung
order.
hajar
Yeah,
dong.
he didn't have long to react, but you have to praise his reflexes.
He's driven in the corner.
JJ kah?
Fantastic save.
Anjir,
That header looked net bound.
Thuram sini. Oh JJ,
Just a
anjir.
bit too much height on the header.
Yeah, it's a good delivery as well, and he
Bangcai.
manages to get on the end of it, but just lacks that little bit of accuracy.
Well, this is the home of
GG
live
Doik.
football, EA TV. Delighted that you're with us, and hope very much you'll join us for this match coming up.
Yeah, really looking forward.
Can he find the net? And denied by the keeper. Impressive. Tomasz Suslov. And he has options available. Delivering it into the box. Well, no mistake from the keeper, acting decisively. Now the situation has changed in one of the other games I'm hearing. Let's go to Alex Scott.
It's a goal for Napoli. Could the goalkeeper have done better? Yes, but let's not take nothing away from that finish.
Oh, wait a minute, could be in here. The danger not over. Conor Gallagher.
Anjir,
Slips
anjir.
away. Now we have a plethora of live matches coming up for you here on EA TV. This one, I think, might pique your curiosity.
Yeah, I'm certainly looking forward to that one. Hopefully we see plenty of goals.
Well, sincere apologies to Alex, I must say, because we had to cut her off just when she was in full flow. For clarification, Napoli did score in that
Waduh.
match, and their lead stands at 1-0 presently.
Ganti pemain habis ini.
Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Must be.
Astaga, hampir
Foiled
gol.
only by the crossbar. And the attack fizzling out.
Well, they were so unlucky not to score there. It's a game of inches, though, and things just don't seem to be going their way right now. They need one of these chances to go in.
Buset, buset.
Attacking with vigour. Now he must favour the cross. Takes aim.
Ganti pemain ya. Buset, ngapain sih tuh? Mundur, kita kasih kesempatan dulu. Moremovic. Beda 5 ya. Yes.
The referee has given a corner. Well, a splendid individual performance, but the manager elects to make a change. And it goes down as a missed opportunity from there. Good looking pass.
Bisa, bisa.
Who can he pick out? Passes it. of goalkeeping anticipation. Well, the final whistle approaching, and this has certainly been an away
Okay.
day to remember. Your assessment.
Yeah, this would be an excellent win, and it would be thoroughly deserved. We've seen some really good individual
Soleimana.
performances, but it's how well they've worked as a team. You can see that they've got a real unity here, both defensively and going forward, and I'm sure the result will certainly please the manager.
It's an opportunity.
Gila Monteiro.
Surely now.
Setelah
that is
diragukan
the-
langsung cetak assist cuk. Losek juga. Berarti anjing. Anjir 16 gol berarti top skor kita Thuram sejauh ini. Dua orang ini Thuram sama Berardi yang
Well, if we look at this again, he shows great vision and awareness to play the ball through. And once it falls to him, he's never missing. Calm as you like, slots it home.
Textbook example of how to cut it out. That's a good pass. Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. Who can they pick out? Just over the crossbar with that effort.
Oke, Brit.
And that is that. The
Yep.
referee blows his whistle for full time, and it's a victory for the visitors.
Well, that
Anjir 16 shot. Oke, Berardi match. Oke, Milan nimbang, Fiorentina kalah, Pak.
Siamo
Ok.
in compagnia del mister per le prime impressioni a caldo sul match appena concluso.
Kita nggak lihat klasemen dulu ya. Kita baru lihat klasemen setelah pertandingan final Coppa Italia nanti.
Era
Yuk.
l'ultima domanda.
Oke, dan lawan kita selanjutnya adalah AC Milan ya di final Coppa Italia tentunya, dan akan bermain di tempat netral. Oke, touchdown Nicolas Marti propose is a breakdown atau broke down. Ya, gagal pindah ya Marti. Apalah. Yuk langsung kita ke final Coppa Italia. Dan kita seperti biasa press conference dulu.
Thanks, guys. We're going to get started with the questions now. You ready?
Cejes dan Berger siap melawan AC Milan ya, dan juga Domenico Berardi.
Okay, guys.
Pre-match training. Kita latihan finishing dulu ya. Anjir. Alah. Nggak gol lagi. Anjir, masa tadi kontrolnya kejauhan sih dia. Anjir, kok nyundulnya kok jelek ya pas training gini. Tapi pas main GG loh dia. Wih, anjir Gallagher cuk. GG kanan kiri sama kuat cuk Gallagher cuk. Alah. Oke. Aman lah ya. Boom. Oke, langsung aja lah ya. Kita open analisis. Mereka menggunakan versi 3142 ya. Gaskan dia. Wow, sepertinya beberapa pemain kita kecapean. Kita ganti aja. Oke. Kita langsung ke Stadion Olimpik.
A glittering occasion. It is the final, but only one side can emerge
Kita
victorious.
langsung aja ke match-nya ya.
Well, just the sort of weather the fans were hoping for this evening. It's absolutely ideal.
Anjir, Boniface yang main, Pak.
Sitting next to me, ready to provide all the tactical and technical analysis crosses is the former England attacker Sue Smith. And we have live action from the cup to bring you. Your expectations?
Well, it's not been
Anjir,
easy for both
Boniface.
sides to get it. They've worked so
Boniface,
hard on and
Boniface.
off the field, but they don't half deserve it. It's a massive opportunity to win silverware. I can't wait for this one.
Aduh.
And Sassuolo losing possession. Determined not to give it away. So here is the lineup.
Well, it looks to be a 3-5-2, very compact in midfield.
Oh, Victor Inez!
Alah.
Cross to score!
Mana pertahanan kita ini, Pak?
Could be highly
Anjir.
significant.
Astaga, Thuram.
He decided to hit that with power rather than going for placement.
Aduh, Gallagher sampai kalah dong.
Fofana.
Anjir, tengah mereka kuat-kuat ya. Fofana, Rabiot, Modric.
That's a good looking pass.
Alah, hampir cok.
Simply wide of the target.
Acak-acak kita sama Milan anjing. Alah. Aduh, ini Monteiro ngoper nggak pernah bener perasaan dari kemarin.
Rabiot. Pass, and justifiably so.
Yeah, they're looking good, aren't
Kita
they?
kalau lawan tim kecil bisa sih bapak, tapi kalau lawan tim-tim gede kayak gini cukup Pak, anjir.
Really determined play to hang on to it.
Alah,
Yusuf Fofana. More confident play. Modric unable to hang on to the ball. Oh, could be an opportunity here.
gila Osula.
In this final, what next in the drama?
GG men.
Well, here's the replay, and it's so impressive how quickly they go from back to front. And then it's great vision with a superb strike from a long way out. That's a really confident goal.
Satu sama ya.
Possession.
Anjir, Volpato juga cintil jarang Jo. Duh, jangan Thuram
Certainly
dong.
not alone. Out of play
Okay.
goes, and it will be a throw-in.
Anjir, Thuram ngapain maju? Osula. Aduh. Tangan counter attack aja ini Pak.
Tomori. Modric.
Gak ada Berardi Gumoha, kerasa banget sih sayapnya.
Aren't they?
Astaga.
Oh dear, up and dead end.
Aduh.
That was promising, and they might forge ahead.
Astaga, aduh berapa cok sama manusia 40 tahun ini. Anjir malah.
Pascal Struijk.
Alah.
That's an example of how to press high up. Now options are plenty.
Gallagher, anjir kursor nggak bisa dipindahin sana Pak.
Still seeking space. Well, quite
Ush.
possibly not precise enough from that position.
Ya.
Well, in terms of added time, a minimum of 1 minute.
Oke, 1 menit tambahan. Oke, habis.
That is that.
Kita bisa masukkan Berardi dan juga Gumoha di babak kedua ya.
So back underway and an intriguing second half in prospect.
Gusto. Gusto.
Yates is now with Burger. Gallagher. Malo Gusto. A lot of live
Digi.
football to come right here on
Thuram.
EA TV. And very much hope you can join us.
Aduh, tengahnya sekelainya nggak ada yang bantu anjing. Oke, Oyarzabal gantiin si Jimenez itu ya.
Time for a change there.
Oke. Fofana, Modric.
And in the right position to read it.
Ntar santai, Burger.
Burger.
Gallagher. Tuh, Montero ngapain situ? Tuh, Burger
Plays with a positional sense that is
lagi
second to
underperform nih, Pak. Selalu saja apa? Kayak lawan tim-tim besar mentalnya langsung
none.
down.
Maybe dangerous here.
Oke. Anjir.
Burger.
Ngapain coba dia di belakang kan?
So half an hour remaining.
Asu malah.
Classic example of how to intercept.
Aduh, umpan kemana ini Volpato?
Yusuf Fofana. Rabiot. Promising attack. Beautifully weighted ball. Just the challenge that was required. Marcus Thuram.
Running, run. Ya ampun anjing. Masih bisa dong.
Alexis Salamakers.
Anjir, Fofana. Boniface.
Salamakers. Yusuf Fofana.
Oke. Kita ganti pemain-pemain yang kurang berkontribusi ini ya. Dur. Walaupun si Osula cetak 1 gol di sini ya, cuman kita butuh daya gedor lagi. Lini tengah juga.
Gallagher. Now. Malo Gusto.
Aduh, salah Pak. Harusnya
To cut out the pass.
lob through pass itu ya.
So alert, read it well.
Pan lambung tuh harusnya.
Pulisic. Fofana.
Anjir, kenapa wasitnya jadi baju merah ya? Kan nge-trigger kita ya.
This might get them in front.
Ieasu.
Play that decisive ball.
Oh, Modric diganti Ricci Pak.
Yates is. Now the quick counter attack could be on. Credit is due for that
Salah
piece of
lagi.
defending.
Berardi ngapain di tengah?
Samuele Ricci. Only 5 minutes left for play and tension galore with the teams locked together. Rabiot on the attack as there to be late excitement. It's a cross towards the near post. Well, the keeper wasn't fooled by it at all in actual fact.
Opo.
There to
Ampun,
intercept.
doi kintil.
Rabiot. On the ball, Chukwueze. There will be 1 minute added on at the end.
Ayo maju. Aduh, Losek ngapain di situ masih.
Extra time.
Di manajemen dulu nggak ada yang bener lini belakang, Cok. Voucher aja dua-duanya biar lari lah. Oke. Ya.
So the
Gaskan.
tension rises
Pulisic. Anjir.
Pulisic. Something across was too close to the keeper. Pascal Struijk. Conor Gallagher. Adam Proje.
Aduh, Olsek.
Well to cut it out.
Aduh, saya tekan segitiga 2 kali sih.
Onto Estupiñán.
Yo, fokus. Anjir. Aduh.
Not looking all that comfortable on the ball.
Alah, Doi gini passing tolol banget. Maju cuk. Alah, kok tololnya minta ampun sih. Olsek ini maju nggak? Hah?
And 1 minute of stoppage time has been.
Sabar, marah-marah terus anjing.
Chukwueze. This looks interesting.
Alah,
And getting in the way of that superb defensive play. And
anjir,
the first
satunya.
period of extra time comes to an end. Still level here.
Yuk guys, babak kedua. Bentar ganti pemain dulu. Ya. Anjir, nggak ada, nggak usah lah.
So on they go, and it's a test of everyone's powers of concentration. Domenico Berardi. Now with Thuram.
Oke, corner.
Imaginative enough. Took a
Jok.
touch on the way through.
Anjir, Berardi cok. Thuram. Wih, anjir Jasari. Kintil cok, susah cok. Ngegolin di FC 26 Uki ini cok pakai sundulan. Oke, apa? Professional Pulse.
It's still through to them. But this is a late drama here. Throw-ins
Cok.
given. And a booking to add to the story.
Oke, mantap Doik. Thuram. Hampir cok. Asu Jasari.
Time is fast running out. 5 minutes left in the second period of extra time here. Save, right in the danger.
Oke, corner.
Yeah, what a save. That was on top of him in the blink of an eye. Did well to stop that, didn't he?
Trying to pick out a team that
Asu 2 kali cok Jasari cok.
Well, nice approach, wasn't it? But the final ball just wasn't there.
Anjir, penalti ini kah?
not a huge chunk of added time. 1 minute.
Prit. Oke, penalti anjir.
A fantastic final, and it's going to end in the most nerve-shredding way possible.
Peluang
with a
kita ya
penalty
itu
shootout.
Nggak banyak peluang kita selain di akhir tadi. Oke, kita advance
And
ya.
now it is all about the penalty shootout.
Yuk kan. Anjir.
Succeeds in finding the bottom corner. And up he comes, doing his best to remain focused. So that wasn't any old miss.
Oke. Thuram.
He has to score,
GG.
and he does. And he steps up to take his penalty.
Alah.
Beaten from the spot.
Blusek. Gila.
He could
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alah, pinggir Cuk. Stroik. Asu. Alah, tengah terus Cuk, anjing.
Well, this has to go in. Continue. Job done from the
Asu. Moa.
shooting continues.
Asu, tengah terus Cuk, sumpah.
Composure is so important under these trying circumstances.
Alah, kalah. Anjing penalti emang Cuk di FC
And
doang.
a contrast in emotions. One team joyful, the
Ngentot.
other absolutely.
Gitu ya. Kita belum bisa membawa Coppa Italia ke tanah Sassuolo. Ya, gimana lagi ya?
Just a few questions.
Padahal itu harapan satu-satunya kita untuk mendapatkan trofi. Dan sepertinya kita ya zero tituli lah. Tapi nggak apa. Yuk, let's go, ini sudah pencapaian sangat bagus karena kita sudah mencapai final ya.
Questions, thanks.
Karena expectation dari board itu sendiri adalah 16 besar. Oke. Dan untuk pertandingan antara Fiorentina akan saya mainkan di episode selanjutnya ya. Oke, langsung saja saya akhiri. Akhir kata, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.